Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. CET 2020 Mathematics topic differentiability synopsis prepared by N. Parmesh. First point, differentiation of algebraic functions. D by dx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Subdivision first one, derivative of f of x whole raised to the power n is equal to n f of x whole raised to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x. Subdivision second one, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Subdivision third one, derivative of 1 by x to the power n is equal to minus 1 divided by x to the power n plus 1. Second point, differentiation of trigonometric functions. Subdivision first one, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Second one, derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Third one, derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Fourth one, derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Fifth one, derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Sixth one, derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Third main, differentiation of logarithmic and exponential functions. First one, derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x for x greater than 0. Subdivision second one, derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Third one, derivative of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x into log a for a greater than 0. Fourth one, derivative of log x to base a is equal to 1 divided by x log x to base e for x greater than 0, comma a greater than 0, comma a not equal to 1. Fourth one, differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Subdivision first one, derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root 1 minus x square open interval minus 1 comma plus 1. Subdivision second one, derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by root 1 minus x square condition open interval minus 1 comma plus 1. Third one, derivative of secant inverse x is equal to 1 divided by mod x into root x square minus 1 for mod x greater than 1. Fourth one, derivative of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by mod x root x square minus 1 for a mod x greater than 1. Fifth one, derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square for x belongs to real number. Sixth one, derivative of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square for x belongs to set of real number. Fifth main, differentiation by inverse trigonometrical substitution. Function substitution. If root a square minus x square is present, put x is equal to a sin theta over r a cos theta. If root x square plus a square is present, put x is equal to a tan theta over r a cot theta. If root x square minus a square is present, put x is equal to a secant theta over r a cosecant theta. If root a minus x divided by a plus x is present, put x is equal to a cos 2 theta. If root a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square is present, put x square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. First point, product rule. Subdivision first one, derivative of f of x into g of x is equal to f of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. Second one, derivative of u into v into w is equal to first two as it is dw by dx plus next two as it is du by dx plus first and last as it is dv by dx. Second one, scalar multiple rule. Derivative of k into f of x is equal to k derivative of f of x. Third one, quotient rule. Derivative of f of x by g of x is equal to g of x the whole square in the denominator. Numerator g of x derivative of f of x minus f of x derivative of g of x provided g of x is not equal to 0. Shortcut methods. First point, derivative of ax plus b divided by cx plus d is equal to AD minus BC divided by CX plus D the whole square. Second one, derivative of A f of x plus B divided by C f of x plus D is equal to denominator square C f of x plus D the whole square, numerator AD minus BC into f dash of x. Third one, x root 1 plus y root 1 plus x is equal to 0, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x the whole square. Fourth one, root 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus y square is equal to a of x minus y, which implies dy by dx is equal to square root 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square. Fifth one, if y is equal to sin inverse of a sin x plus b cos x divided by root of a square plus b square, which implies dy by dx is equal to 1. Sixth one, y is equal to cos inverse of a sin x minus b cos x divided by root a square plus b square, which implies dy by dx is equal to 1. Seventh one, y is equal to tan inverse root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x divided by root 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x, which implies dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 root 1 minus x square. Eighth one, y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus root 1 minus x square divided by root 1 plus x square plus root 1 minus x square, which implies dy by dx is equal to x divided by root 1 minus x to the power 4. Ninth one, sin y is equal to x sin of a plus y, which implies dy by dx is equal to sin square of a plus y divided by sin a. Tenth one, y is equal to mod x, which implies dy by dx is equal to x divided by mod x, comma, condition x not equal to 0. Differentiation of implicit functions. Shortcut method. First one, f of x plus y is equal to k, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus 1, where k is constant. Second one, f of x into y is equal to k, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus y by x, where k is a constant. Third one, f of x by y is equal to k, which implies dy by dx is equal to y by x, where k is a constant. Differentiation of composite functions. Derivative of f of g of x is equal to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. Logarithmic differentiation. Shortcut methods. First one, y is equal to x to the power x, which implies dy by dx is equal to x to the power x bracket 1 plus log x. Second one, x to the power m into y to the power n is equal to x plus y whole raised to the power m plus n, which implies dy by dx is equal to y by x. Third one, e to the power x plus e to the power y is equal to e to the power x plus y, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power y minus x. Fourth one, a to the power x plus a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y, which implies dy by dx is equal to minus a to the power y minus x. Differentiation of infinite series. If y is equal to square root f of x plus root f of x plus root f of x plus so on infinity, then y is equal to root f of x plus y, then dy by dx is equal to f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. Second order differentiation. First point, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to a square, which implies d square y by dx square is equal to h square minus ab bracket close into a square divided by hx minus by the whole cube. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, which implies d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Second one, y is equal to e to the power m sin inverse x over y is equal to e to the power m cos inverse x, which implies 1 minus x square bracket close y2 minus x y1 minus m square y is equal to 0. Third point, y is equal to sin inverse x over y is equal to cos inverse x, which implies 1 minus x square the whole square into y2 minus x y1 is equal to 0. Fourth one, y is equal to sin inverse x the whole square over y is equal to cos inverse x the whole square, which implies 1 minus x square bracket close into y2 minus x y1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Fifth one, y is equal to a cos mx plus b sin mx, which implies y2 plus m square y is equal to 0. Sixth one, y is equal to a e to the power ax plus b e to the power bx, which implies y2 minus bracket a plus b bracket close into y1 plus ab bracket close into y is equal to 0. Seventh one, y is equal to capital letter A e to the power ax plus capital letter b e to the power minus ax, which implies y2 minus small letter a square y is equal to 0. Rolle's theorem. Let f of x be a real valued function defined on closed interval such that subdivision 1 f of x is continuous at closed interval a comma b. Subdivision second one, f of x is differentiable on open interval a comma b. Third one, f of a is equal to f of b, then there exists at least one value of c belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to 0. Second one, mean value theorem. Let f of x be a function defined on closed interval a comma b such that subdivision first point, f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b. Subdivision second one, f of x is differentiable on open interval a comma b, then there exists at least one value c belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Differentiation of determinants. If delta x is equal to column wise determinant r1 r2 r3, then delta dash x is equal to determinant r1 dash r2 r3 first column plus determinant column wise r1 r2 dash r3 plus determinant column wise r1 r2 r3 dash. If y is equal to determinant first row p q r, second row u v w, third row l m n, which implies dy by dx is equal to determinant dp by dx dq by dx dr by dx, second row as it is, third row as it is, determinant plus second determinant first row as it is, du by dx dv by dx dw by dx, third row as it is, plus determinant first row as it is, second row as it is, third row dl by dx dm by dx dn by dx, where p comma q comma r comma u comma v comma w comma l comma m comma n are the functions of x. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.